Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only landscape PDF file from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to open up the view-only PDF from Google Drive you want to download. And if we look at it, we'll notice it's a landscape PDF. And the way we're going to download this is we're going to be preserving that landscape layout. So the PDF is going to look like the one you're viewing. And the first step is, you're going to want to go up to the three dotted button up here, the More Actions button, then click on Open in New Tab. And this is going to open up the PDF. And the first step you need to do is, I want you to use the mouse wheel, or this little slider bar down here, to scroll through the entire PDF. The goal is we need to load every single page, so we're able to download them all when we download the PDF that's view only. Once you've loaded all of them, you can then scroll up to the top. And if we go to File, you'll notice we can't print anything, there's no option to download, so we're going to be using a script to download this PDF file. And now we need to open up the developer console. There are two ways you can do that. You can either press F12 on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, you can click on the three dotted button up here. Then you want to go to More Tools, then go to Developer Tools. And after that, there's going to be a link in the description below. And I want you to click on that link, and you're going to see a Google Drive document. I want you to just select everything in here, and then right click and click on Copy. This is a bit of JavaScript, and it's going to create a new PDF file that contains all of the pages you see on the view-only PDF file. And there's one thing you may need to do. If this is your first time doing console commands in Google Chrome, you're going to want to do the following command. Allow pasting. You can't even copy and paste this into the console. You need to type it out like I have on screen, then press the Enter key. Don't worry if you see a red error. If you see a red error, that means you can already paste commands into the console. However, if you've never done this before, you'll now be able to copy and paste commands into your Google Chrome console. Now you want to right click and click on Paste after copying the command. Then you're going to want to press the Enter key. And you're going to see a file has been downloaded. So you can either click on it to open it up, or you can go to Show in Folder. I'll just click on it for now. And, as you can see, we were able to successfully download the landscape PDF that was view only on Google Drive. It's preserved the exact same layout as the one we had here. And when you do this, the person who owns the PDF file is not going to know. It won't notify them. The only way they're going to know is if they're spying on you or you tell them. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.